Hello and welcome to the weekly technical analysis review. I'm Andreas Georgiou, currency analyst at XM.com. Today is Monday, July 31st, and we'll be looking at euro crosses, specifically at the euro versus the yen, sterling, Australian and Canadian dollars on the daily charts. So starting with euro yen and looking at RSI, we can see that the indicator has been predominantly moving sideways recently, hinting to neutrality. We can also notice that the price has been ranging sideways throughout this period. If the price advances, the upper Bollinger Band at 130.71 combined with the July 11 17.5 month high of 130.76 could act as a barrier to the upside. If on the other hand the price declines, the middle Bollinger line, which is a 20-day moving average line at 129.55, could provide support. Bear in mind that this was briefly violated today before the price bounced back above it. Further down, the 129 handle, a potential psychological level, together with the lower Bollinger Band at 128.37, could provide additional support. Turning to the medium-term picture, it is bullish, and this is evidence from the fact that both the 50-day moving average line and 200-day moving average line is currently, or both lines I should say, are currently upward sloping. Turning to euro pound on the daily chart, we can see that RSI is more or less flat, again suggesting neutrality in the very short term. However, the overall bias is to the upside, as evidenced by the MACD, which is positive, as well as above the red signal line. If the price advances, a barrier to the upside is likely to be formed by the July 21 8.5 month high of 0.8994 and the 0.90 handle. Whereas on the downside, support could come around the 0.89 handle, another potential psychological level, while further down, support could come around the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level of the April 18 to July 21 up leg at 0.8833. The medium-term picture is bullish. We can see that the price is comfortably above the 50 and 200-day moving average lines, while the pair also recorded a bullish cross in late June. Continuing with EURAUD on the daily chart, again the RSI is hinting to neutrality in the very short term. It is currently at the 50 neutral perceived level. If the price advances, the 23.6% Fibonacci retracement level of the February 22 to June 1 up leg at 1.4846 could act as a barrier to the upside. Notice that this level also roughly coincides with the 50-day moving average line. Further up, the July 7 2-month high at 1.5276 is likely to act as resistance as well. On the downside, the area around the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level at 146.12 combined with the 11-day low from last Thursday at 1.4564 are likely to provide support. Another support area could come from the 50% Fibonacci retracement level and 200-day moving average line ranging from 1.4425 to 1.4393. Turning to the medium-term picture, it is predominantly bullish given the overall uptrend since the start of the year, and the pair also recorded a bullish cross in late May when the 50-day moving average line moved above the 200-day one. Finally, turning to EURCAD on the daily chart, we can see that intraday momentum is to the upside. This is evidenced by the stochastics indicator, as the percentage K line is above the slow percentage D line. If the price continues gaining, the 3-week high of 1.4712, or rather I should say the area around the 3-week high of 1.4712 could provide resistance. Notice that the price is currently close to this level, to this area. Further up, the current level of the 50-day moving average of 1.4827 could act as an additional barrier to the upside. If on the other hand the price declines, the 1.45 level, or the area around the the area around the 1.45 level could provide support. Notice that this was a rather congested area recently, while further down the current level of the 200-day moving average at 1.4436 is expected to provide additional support. The minimum term picture for this pair is similar to the previous one. It is predominantly bullish given the overall uptrend since the start of the year, while the pair also recorded a bullish cross on May 1st when the 50-day moving average line crossed above the 200-day moving average line. That's it from me. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.